Welcome back. A youth from Bori Ponda, Siddesh Borkar, complained that authorities have failed to act against illegal hill cutting in the area. He said that he is fighting against the illegality from last 1.5 years and still awaiting justice. Borkar also said that the TCP has accepted the violation of TCP Act. Police have filed a FIR, but the culprit is still at large.
अशी आमचे बोरी देववाड्यार सर्वे नंबर 264 हांगा डोंगर कट केलो. इतले दीस जाले हांव झगडटा 1.5 वर्स जाले 1 वर्स 1.5 वर्स जाले की हांव इन्फॉर्म केलें पर्टिक्युलर डिपार्टमेंटाक हे पर्यावरण नेचर जो आसा तो डिस्ट्रॉय करता. दोंगर जी देवळां ही जी आसा जी सांबाळपा जाय म्हणटा ती डिस्ट्रॉय करता म्हणून जे फोटोग्राफ्स जे एविडन्स सगळे सर्कमस्टन्स हे जे डॉक्युमेंट घेवन जे पर्टिक्युलर डिपार्टमेंटाक इन्फॉर्म करून आज पर्यंत 1.5 वर्स जालें. आज पर्यंत म्हाका न्याय म्हणतो मेळना. टावन कंट्री प्लॅनिंगान लेटर धाडलें कोणाक पुलिशे लेटर धाडलें की हे जे कलेक्टरान सांगले प्रमाणे सेक्शन 17 हे वायलेट जाल्लो आसा, कॉग्नायजेबल ऑफेन्स जाल्लो आसा, त्या अनुसार तेजेर FIR लॉन्च करा म्हणून. म्हणजे टावन प्लॅनिंगान हितून पुलिशे PI ऑफ फोंडा पुलीस स्टेशनाक लेटर केलें की ते जो एक्यूज पर्सन आहा तेजेर डायरेक्ट एक्शन घेवची, FIR लॉन्च करून अरेस्ट करचो. पूण आजून पर्यंत हें लेटर गेल्लें आसा, गेल्लें 5/11/2012. पूण आजून तेजेर कारवाई जाली ना. FIR लॉन्च केली पळय 8/4/2013 FIR लॉन्च केली. पूण आजून पर्यंत तो अरेस्ट कित्याक जायना. FIR लॉन्च करून तश्योच दवरुपाच्यो काय तेजेर कितें युटिलायज करपाचें की बाबा
ते नवी वाड्यार वचून ही जनजागृती टायप करतले आनी जे पंचायतीक बेकायदेशीर धंदो चल्ला, बेकायदेशीर कामाक प्रोत्साहन दिवपाचें चल्ला तेजे विरुद्ध आमी झगडटले आनी थोड्याच दिसांनी त्याचो निर्णय तुमकां कळटलो.
रिपोर्टर विवेक प्रभू फॉर प्रुडंट.
And now look at the various events in the state.
The first Exide Industrial Power Center in Goa was inaugurated at Santinis on Tuesday. Center was inaugurated by the Director of Exide Industrial Division, Subir Chakraborty.
Today we have opened the 26th power center in India and the first power center in Goa. Goa is fast developing into an industrial hub where demand for industrial batteries is going up by leaps and bounds. So we thought that by opening a power center in Goa, our customers would be able to get specialized and expert service.
Hotel Fidalgo had organized in-house signature dish competition on Tuesday. The aim of the competition was to boost the moral and confidence of chefs and other staffs of the hotel.
So we are now giving a chance to all the downline cooks basically to come out with good new dishes, innovative dishes which are not eaten and tried. It's more of a fusion. So this is a display of all their creative ideas, and they have worked hard to achieve this concept, and we hope to then add more dishes into our menu every time we come up with new menus.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
An illegal construction was raised down at Dandavada, Chinsone on Tuesday. BDO and Joint Mabladar executed the demolition. The illegal construction belonged to one Ayub Khan Zampotikar from the Karpali, Davurli.
Proposal आमकां जिने पंचायतीन मूव केल्लें रिक्वेस्टिंग फॉर डेमोलिशन स्क्वॉड. Ayub Khan Zampotikar तेजे ते illegal construction and full procedure was done by the panchayat, and the proposal was moved to the BDO for requisition of demolition squad. So आज ते आमकां demolition squad दिल्ले आसा deputy collector, and accordingly ते आज ते demolition चालू आसा. And because I think the party also is to be seen around the site. As per the order, we are the demolition squad is there. The executive magistrate also is there.
आज आमगे procedure start जाले 5 months जाले आता. After 5 months, आज demolition notice जाला. And every time every day daily also like follow up कोण आमके केला आमके ward representative दिको केतना येन दिको चोइल ना आमके एरिया कित जाल दे चोइल ना तेका इन्फॉर्म दिको केले. दुसरे वाड्या 5 दिको येन आम हेल्प कोला म्हणून आमी वॉर्ड रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह येल ना दिको आणि एक लँड फिलिंग दिको केल्ले. लँड फिलिंगाची आम कंप्लेन दिला. अजून पासून तेमी ते लँड रिस्टोर केल्ले ना. तो ओवरफ्लो वाल बंद केले कॅनलाचे. आको आमगे तिने उदो वयता तो लोटा आखे हेंच बंद करून उडयला.
If you've missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.